Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Never flush coffee grounds down your toilet if you have a septic tank. As a blanket guideline, avoid placing items into the system that don't quickly decompose. You should not put these items into your commode. Cat litter, coffee grounds, cigarette butts, dental floss, disposable diapers, earplugs, sanitary napkins or tampons. The 1st of October 2015.
Take our lead.
The best septic-safe toilet papers of 2021. Cottonelle Ultra Comfort Care Toilet Paper. Amazon brand Presto. Scott Rapid Dissolving Toilet Paper. Angel Soft Lavender Scented Toilet Paper. Firebelly Outfitters RV Toilet Paper. 7th Generation White Toilet Paper. Caboo Tree-Free Bamboo Toilet Paper, the 4th of March 2021.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Why hair is such a problem? It's composed of tough strands of proteins similar to those in your fingernails, and it's not easily broken down by bacteria. However, if there is no filter, the hair will travel throughout the septic system, clogging pipes or making its way to the leach field. 13 September 2017.
Let's help you make your mark.
5 loads. 5 loads of laundry a day would be the maximum a 600 square foot system could handle, and this is not including other water usage during the day. 3. Use soaps and detergents which are low in phosphates. Phosphates damage the good bacteria in the septic tank.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.